What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Clevver Style. First thing I need to tell you is that Ursula took my voice. It just is what it is. Ariel just didn't want it, so here it is. Anyway, word on the street is that all these celebrities are doing tie-dye, and I think we should jump on the train.
Actually, tie-dye was in every spring and summer runway show for 2019, like Prabal Gurung, Christian Dior, and all these celebrities, like our favorite, Beyoncé and Gigi Hadid wore it. So we actually want to recreate it.
Bring on the colors.
Bring on the colors. Also, I've never done this before, Drew, so I'm kind of nervous. Yeah. My mom was like, you can't get your clothes dirty. Like, I didn't buy your clothes for you to like put colors all over it.
I always did it like camp and stuff, but I can't remember how to do it because that was like 75 years ago.
All right, let's try it.
Let's do it. Okay, because all the celebrities are doing it, only one person matters to me, and that's Beyonce. So I'm gonna be recreating my queen Beyonce's look. She's done like a lot of different tie-dye looks, but there's one in particular that I'm gonna tackle.
I'm gonna do Gigi Hadid because she's been wearing a lot of tie-dye lately. Also, she's like the it girl. Also, she wore tie-dye to Coachella and she nailed it. Like, looked so good. I'm gonna specifically recreate this Ralph Lauren shirt that she wore that was tie-dye, which is really cool. And she paired it with like all white pants and all white shoes, but I'm gonna restyle it.
But this is the question. I don't think Gigi Hadid and Beyonce actually tie-dyed their own stuff. They probably bought it for like $75 million.
100%.
And so we're just gonna like do like a ratchet version.
And pretend that we have $75 million.
Yeah. Oh my God, Naz.
Very overwhelmed. How does this work?
I don't know, but I can already tell it's gonna be a mess because anytime that there's arts
Why
and
are you
crafts,
holding those at me?
I just wanna spread out.
This is a shirt I'm gonna use, which is kind of like the shirt Gigi wore. Except I like it because it has like a red star, so I think it's like way cooler.
Okay, and then this is the dress, close to what Beyonce wore. We're gonna make it work. I'm gonna try to make it look like hers.
Okay, so how do we do it?
I hate instructions.
Do you know how to do it?
No, we should read the
Are
instructions.
you sure? Wearing protective gloves, add water to dye bottle.
Okay, well the water was already added to the dye bottles for us. Thank you,
Amazing.
Bridget.
Woo! We're off to a great start, Drew.
I'm telling you.
And then it says dye fabric, but we have to put it in the rubber. Isn't it rubber bands, right? Do you know how to do that?
Yeah. I'll
Okay.
put your gloves on first. I'm gonna walk you through step by step.
Okay.
I got you.
Okay, so in Gigi's shirt, I feel like she had like a lot of blue in the middle. Like it was like a traditional tie-dye shirt.
Yeah.
Do you know how to like get it, like the colors right where they're
No.
supposed to be? Drew, you're scaring
It
me.
might not look exactly like
I
Gigi.
want it to look exactly.
So what you want to do, you want to grab like the little belly button of it, and then you're gonna like swirl it into like a little cinnamon roll.
Okay.
So you're gonna like twist like that. But I want you to do it.
Okay.
After you like twist everything, and you're gonna rubber band like the little donut.
Okay. Is it a donut or a cinnamon roll? Like this?
Yeah. Just keep on swirling.
It's got to be Gigi Hadid perfect, you know?
We can dream. You never know how it's gonna turn out.
I have faith in this.
And like I said, I did this 75 years ago, so we'll see how it goes. So now you're gonna wrap this little sucker around it. Make
Like more than once?
Yeah, make it nice and tight.
This is fun.
This is what kids need these days.
Yeah.
Good old-fashioned outdoor activities.
I've always wanted to do, this was such a big thing in the 90s too, I feel like, to like make your own tie-dye.
That's when I went to Girl Scout camp. No,
Yeah.
that was definitely the early 2000s.
You were a Girl Scout?
Yeah, I was a bad Girl Scout though. I
Really?
like literally just wanted it because I wanted the cute vest with the badges. I never went to any of the meetings and I ate the cookies I was supposed
I would
to
just
sell.
want it for the cookies.
I think that
Jill,
was,
am I doing this right?
I don't, maybe. Did I tie-dye?
I always did it like camp and stuff.
Do you know how to do that?
Yeah. I'll put your gloves on first. 75 years ago.
I think we're good, Drew, right?
Yeah.
This is my
It's
diaper.
beautiful. I don't know if
Hope
I'm
it
gonna be
comes
able to
out
do
okay.
that.
This is my poop tie-dye shirt. I'm just kidding, it's kind of cool.
Can you not speak poop tie-dye into existence? Oh, thing's hard.
Okay, it's Beyonce time.
Every time is Beyonce time.
This one's gonna be fun because I feel like it's not
Zip
as
this
like
up.
structured. Like
Yeah.
I feel like you can kind of throw colors wherever, right?
Thank God, because I'm scared. I don't think I could do that, what you just did. Okay, so basically, instead of doing the cinnamon roll, I think I'm just gonna,
Twist it.
Twist
Here,
her.
I'll be the rubber band passer.
like one of those things at Taco Bell, little cinnamon twist.
So you twisted it, and what do you're just gonna make
I'm
spaces?
just gonna make little spaces. Because hers are more like stripes, and Gigi's was more structured like the original tie-dye.
I mean, anything we can do to look like Beyonce. So then I'll just keep passing them to you. This is so cool though. Like I feel like if you have a white dress or something like long and white in your closet that you haven't worn in a while and you're kind of sick of, like just tie-dye it. What colors do you think you're gonna go for?
Well, I'm trying to recreate hers. Hers has like a lot of reds and pinks.
Yeah.
This looks like a ponytail.
That looks bomb. That's
This
so
is like-
Ariana. See, my thing is like, how do you get the pattern? Like, what is the strategy?
Girl, you talking to
here?
the wrong person. I don't know.
Drew!
I think that's what the rubber bands do.
Okay.
I think like wherever it's like squeezed, that's where stuff's gonna happen.
Okay, so but for mine, so the middle of Gigi's is blue, so I feel like I gotta put blue in the middle.
Middle.
Okay, here we go.
I mean, Stop!
What?
No, I'm just freaking out. Go ahead. Oh.
Yeah,
okay.
we're just gonna go crazy with it. Ooh, look at all the green.
Okay, wait, now I'm scared because like the whole primary color mixture thing, I'm not quite sure
Yeah,
which
see,
colors
now
go
it's
what.
not blue anymore.
You gotta be careful because
Okay,
that made
listen,
green.
it's not gonna come out like Gigi's. It's gonna come out like how
Yaz's.
mine's gonna come out. Exactly. So
But
I'm
it was-
okay with it. Okay, I think mine's good.
Well-
Wow, I'm a fashion designer.
I think it looks really good,
I
actually.
think so too.
We say that now, wait till you open it. I'm just kind of saturated on it in there.
It's kind of like making a snow cone, except you're making a dress.
Now I want a snow cone.
Wait, this
real
looks
bad.
so cool. This one's gonna be dope.
Oh!
That's so pretty. What?
I like it.
What else did Beyonce have in hers? What other colors?
It's kind of, she has like some random blues, but it's mainly like pink, orange, and red. What happens when you mix pink and blue or red?
But you won't. You'll keep it like a separate from the pink and red.
You know,
Here,
but
I'll
what
hold it
kind
for
of
you.
red? I'm just trying to avoid poop color.
Look how pretty that is.
God, I feel like, are we like arts and crafts people?
Wait, this is so cool. I want to take everything white in my closet now for summer and like
Don't
tie-dye.
do that. What if you mess
Why?
it up?
No, look, this is gonna come out so good.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
This looks promising.
Yeah, I'm into this look. Okay, so now we have to wrap them in plastic wrap so that
Okay.
the color absorbs, and then we let them sit and dry, and then we'll see what they look like.
Wait, how long is this gonna take? I'm impatient.
I think like hours. True, I don't know what you're doing right now.
It is what it is.
Okay, let's
It's
put it in
gonna
the
be
sun.
what it is.
Tie-dye!
Yay! Is that part fine if it's not wrapped? Okay, so now we wait. Okay, you guys, it's officially the next morning. We had to let these little puppies dry out in the sun, and now we're gonna wash them and put them in the dryer.
And we're gonna open them up and see what they look like.
Yeah, you wanna do like a little reveal?
Yeah, let's do it.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is it bad? I'm really excited about this. It looks really good.
I'm so jealous.
You wanna go wash them?
Yeah, let's
Okay.
do it.
We've been magically transported to Jill's laundry room, and it's beautiful.
It's not glamorous.
All laundry rooms look like this, though.
All right, let's do it.
Ready?
Don't look at mine.
20 minutes later.
Time to put them in the dryer.
Dry time.
Thanks, friend.
They look good. Well, we'll see. Put your quarters in. Okay, cool. Come back and like
now.
eat pretzels. Come on. Duh.
1 hour later.
All right, they're done.
It's like getting cookies out of the oven.
But they don't smell as good. Oh, they feel so warm.
Do they?
Drew. Yes.
Oh my God. Don't look at it, but it does feel really good.
Yeah, I really don't want you to see mine.
It'll be fine.
I'm scared. Wait, I didn't know if we were walking back or not. Okay, Drew, we gotta talk about this.
Listen. So it doesn't have color on it. It's not tie-dyed, but it has accents of tie-dye.
Guys, I made a statement shoulder. Look at the back. I
Look at-
kind of
look at-
nailed it.
There's something there. And the little seams.
I just want to say this is why I don't tie-dye, and I like to just buy tie-dye. But I think I made it work with, like, you know, the
The
choker.
accessories. I was gonna say.
It's a very minimal look. It's very my tie-dye.
Look at it this way. I bet you if you walk into Urban Outfitters right now, there's a shirt like this that's supposed to be like splotchy and like simple, you know?
For like $30.99, but you can make it at home for free. But first of all, we got to talk about this because you
it
look.
came out really
I mean,
good,
are
right?
you Beyonce? It's stunning.
I like it. We put the shoulders down a little bit because up it looks a
Yeah.
little granny-ish, but like,
I love it. I feel like you could just run through the Coachella fields,
right?
You know?
Like smell a flower.
Yes.
I feel good about it.
Or like hold
I
a
feel-
basket of Easter eggs.
I think this material probably just stained better than the like cotton, you know?
Or let's be real, I'm just not good at tie-dye.
It's fine. It's a growing experience.
But we tried, and
did.
guys, tell us other DIY things that you think we should try and take a stab at. In the fashion realm, the DIY stuff, comment down below and let us know what you guys want us to try.
Also, subscribe and hit the bell so you can get more videos just like this, because we'll
Yes.
be here making stuff, doing things,
Or trying to do things.
living.
Bye.
Fine.
All right, well, that was a really fun, clever style video.
So much fun. But you guys, there's more stuff over there, so click it.
Do it. It's right there.
Clever style. I was waiting for you right there.
Just click it.